It's a national program.
Distinguished delegation from the World Bank, development partners, NGOs, and civil society representatives, government representatives, workshop participants, ladies and gentlemen. Nisambula, a very good morning to you all. It gives me great pleasure to be here this morning, and I wish to thank the Red Plus Secretariat for inviting me to officially open this workshop on behalf of the Ministry of Fisheries and Forests. I must acknowledge the World Bank team for willingly offering to take Fiji through this initial preparatory phase in anticipation for the implementation of the Forest Carbon Partnership Facility Grant Agreement on Red Plus readiness preparation. Fiji has been making significant progress with its National Red Plus readiness preparation, and I must say that the achievement to date was possible through the active involvement of our multiple stakeholders under the ambit of the National Red Plus Steering Committee. Allow me, as the Minister for Fisheries and Forests, to acknowledge the support from our key stakeholder partners in these Red Plus processes. I wish also to specifically acknowledge the support from the German Agency for International Cooperation through its regional climate change programs. Over the years, SPC and GIZ regional project had been the main development partner of the Fiji Red Plus program through their technical and financial support. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji government is fully committed to support the implementation of the Fiji Red Plus readiness phase through the leveraging of necessary finance, appointment of technical and administrative support staffs, and currently working on the building of a new office wing specifically for the RED unit. Through the current network of support from important agencies under the National Red Plus program, Fiji is well placed to facilitate the efficient and proper management of this FCPF grant, and this grant through the World Bank will strengthen and support a lot of activities for the development of Fiji's readiness program. It will strengthen the current institutional arrangement and develop the local capacity, develop social and environmental safeguards, as well as establish the national measurement, reporting and verification system. As a follow-on from the launching of the Fiji FCPF Red Plus Readiness Grant by His Excellency the President last night, the workshop today provides the best platform for Fiji to learn the World Bank system and processes, as well as an opportunity to see our existing national processes and operational policy to ensure harmonization that support the proper and efficient utilization of the FCPF grant. We have a mammoth task in front of us, and this cannot be achieved without the inclusive engagement of all relevant agencies. And so the Ministry of Fisheries and Forests cannot do this alone. I sincerely request your long-term support in the development of this National Red Plus Readiness Preparation Program for Fiji. This is an opportunity for Fiji to demonstrate to the international donor agencies good practices in line with the requirements, especially of the World Bank, that can pave the way forward for more funding support in the future. Finally, I hope that we will all take this opportunity to familiarize ourselves on the rules of engagement with the World Bank, as well as all the technical requirements and methodological frameworks to enhance the development of the readiness activities and to avoid implementation delays. I now have the great pleasure in declaring this Fiji Forest Carbon Partnership Facility Readiness Grant Workshop open. Pinagawalevu, thank you, Sukuria.